Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health with the grace of Allah. Welcome to my channel Health and Beauty. Eat healthy and stay beautiful. So today's topic is about introduction of food and nutrition. We'll talk about introduction of food and nutrition. So today's topics are fundamentals of food and nutrition, definition of food, definition of nutrition, definition of nutrient, importance of food, functions of food, food groups. So let's start with the first topic, fundamentals of food and nutrition. The course Fundamentals of Food and Nutrition aims at developing basic understanding about nutrition, its effect on human health and newer advances in food technology. This course encompasses physiological, biochemical and social aspects of food and discusses relationship between metabolites and human health. Food. First we'll talk about food. Food has been a basic part of our existence. Through the centuries, we have acquired a wealth of information about the use of food to ensure the growth of youth, to maintain good health and to recover from illness. Any substance consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrates, fats, and other nutrients used in human beings to sustain growth and vital processes and to build energy. Food is any substance which contains nutrients. Food are complex substances composed of chemical constituents called nutrients. According to the presence of such nutrients, food has been classified as protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. An organism needs food so that it can derive energy from it. That is needed for the growth and maintenance of the body and also to build resistance to disease. Food is a very important element for the human body to grow and develop. It provides all the healthy materials that help in tissue repair, building cells, etc. And therefore the body needs adequate amount of food to get energy. Food is any edible substance, solid or liquid, which gives us sufficient amount of nutrients needed for body to function effectively. Now we'll talk about nutrition. Nutrition is relatively a new discipline of science, mainly deals with types of nutrients, chemical nature and their biological importance in order to lead to normal, good and healthy life, including ingestion, digestion, absorption, transport, metabolism and excretion. Nutrition is the process of consuming, absorbing and using nutrients needed by the body for growth, development and maintenance of life. Good nutrition aims to achieve and maintain a desirable body composition, optimal health, prevention of diseases and high potential for physical and mental work. Nutrition is a study of food and how the body utilizes the food. Now we'll talk about nutrients. Nutrients are chemical compounds in food that are used by the body to function properly and maintain health. Nutrient is any substance which can be digested and used by the body. There are 6 nutrients: proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. Now we'll talk about the importance of food or functions of food. Food is needed for develop strong muscles, bones and teeth, keep our body warm and gives energy, keep our body healthy by helping our immune system to prevent or fight diseases, help in repair of healing of injuries, proper functioning of body. Food helps in repairing of damaged cells. Food balances the hormones in our body. Now we'll talk about the food groups. A food group is a collection of foods that share similar nutritional properties or biological classifications. List of nutrition guides typically divide food groups into foods into food groups and recommended dietary allowance, recommended daily servings of each group for a healthy diet. A balanced diet is made up of foods from the 5 food groups: starchy carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables, protein, dairy and healthy fats. Any of the categories into which different foods may be placed according to the type of nourishment they supply, such as carbohydrates or proteins. There are 6 food groups. Cereals. So first we'll talk about cereals. Cereals are the edible seeds or grains. Grain foods are mostly made from wheat, oats, rice, rye, barley, and corn, etc. The different grains can be cooked and eaten whole, ground into flour to make a variety of cereal foods like bread, pasta, and noodles, or made into ready-to-eat breakfast cereals. Bread, wheat flour, corn, macaroni, spaghetti, beans, rice. Legumes. Legumes are a type of vegetables. There are around 16,000 types grown all over the world in different sizes, shapes, colors, and textures. Some common legumes are chickpeas, peanuts, lima beans, soya beans, lentils, etc. Now we'll talk about fruits and vegetables. Vegetables can be eaten raw or cooked and are available fresh, frozen, canned, or dried, dehydrated. They can be eaten whole, cut up, or mashed. Vegetables are naturally low in calories and fat and are free of cholesterol. Vegetables are divided into 5 subgroups depending on their nutrient content: dark green, red, and orange, dry beans and peas, starch, and other. The vegetable is the edible portion of a plant. Vegetables are usually grouped according to the portion of the plant that is eaten, such as leaves, lettuce, stem, celery, roots, carrots, tubers, potato, bulbs, onion, and flowers, broccoli. A fruit is the mature ovary of a plant. Now we'll talk about fruits. Fruit is the sweet, fleshy, edible part of a plant. It generally contains seeds. Fruits are usually eaten raw, although some varieties can be cooked. They come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and flavors. In a botanical sense, a fruit is the fleshy or dry, ripened ovary of a flowering plant, enclosing the seed or seeds. Apricots, bananas, and grapes, as well as bean pods, corn grains, tomatoes, cucumbers, and in their shells, acorns and almonds are all technically fruits. Now we'll talk about proteins: fish, poultry, meat, etc. This group includes all kind of lean meat and poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, nuts and seeds, and legumes, beans. Traditionally, the foods from this food group are considered protein rich. Protein is found in a wide range of different foods. We can divide food sources of protein into 2 groups: animal protein sources such as meat, dairy, fish, and eggs, and plant protein sources such as beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Fats and oils. Oils and fats are important nutrients in a healthy diet. Structurally, they are esters of glycerol with 3 fatty acids. As such, they are scientifically called triacylglycerols, but are commonly referred to in the food industry as triglycerides. The animal fats used by humans are butter, sweat, beef fat, lard, pork fat, and fish oils. A small group of fatty acid is essential in the diet. Oils are not considered a food group, but they supply healthy fats in your diet. Oils are fats that are liquid at room temperature. Oils come from different plants and types of fish. Some common types of oils include olive oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, safflower oil, corn oil, and canola oil. Thank you so much for watching my video, viewers. I hope this information is very helpful for you to understand about food and nutrition and its nutritional value. Thank you so much, and I hope it is very much helpful for you guys. Do subscribe to my channel and stay beautiful and stay healthy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.